Warren Buffett says his favorite holding period is forever, yet even he sells sometimes. Knowing when to sell is where most investors destroy their own returns. They sell winners too early and cling to losers far too long. Buffett has only 3 reasons to ever sell, and they have nothing to do with the price dropping. Reason 1, the story you bought changed, and the business is no longer wonderful. If the moat breaks or the product dies, the reason you bought it is gone, so you sell. Buffett sold newspapers when the internet destroyed their once mighty moat. Reason 2, you find something clearly better for your money. If a far superior business goes on sale, you can sell a good one to buy a great one. But this is rare, because constantly switching usually just racks up taxes and mistakes. Reason 3, the price became absurd, far above any reasonable value. If a stock you own doubles past every sane estimate of its value, selling can make sense, but notice what is missing from all 3. The stock simply going down. A lower price is not a reason to sell, often it is a reason to buy more. Buffett bought more, not less, when his stocks crashed in 1974 and 2008. Most people do the opposite. They sell in fear at the bottom and lock in the loss. The hardest part of selling is doing nothing while everyone else panics. Buffett says the stock market transfers money from the impatient to the patient. So before you sell, ask, is the business broken? Is something far better available? Or is the price insane? If the answer to all 3 is no, the right move is almost always to hold. Selling out of boredom or fear is how good investors turn into bad ones. Your job is to buy wonderful businesses and then get out of their way for years. 3 reasons to sell, 1 default to hold. That is how Buffett lets winners run for decades.